What's up guys, Tamil Action here. Classic commuters are the often go-to option for many riders, and one of the new offerings to hit the market is Honda CD110 BS6, and this video is the detailed review of it. Honda's CD110 is the basic commuter bike offering from Honda, and the most attractive part about it is the pricing and the amount of features it offers for the price. As I already mentioned, this is the BS6 variant, which means price will be higher than the last version of the CD110, but still when we pull up the ex-showroom pricing, it looks good. And the reason I'm saying this is because this new CD110 is a properly upgraded bike with the right amount of things. And since this is a basic commuter bike, that right thing should all happen with the engine and the overall experience it provides. And Honda has precisely done that. They upgraded the engine to meet the new standards, and in doing that, they also added the best possible features. And about the engine used in this new CD110, it's a 109.51cc 4-stroke programmed fuel injection BS6 engine. It's the smallest capacity BS6 engine used by Honda in a bike right now, but still, like I said, they did add features like silent start, and also you get Honda's ESP technology too. ESP is enhanced smart power technology, and because of this, there should be improved performance and mileage than the previous version of the CD110. Now here, since the engine is just of 110cc capacity, the max output power generated is 6.47 kW at 7500 rpm, and the max torque generated is 9.30 Nm at 5500 rpm. Now this is a good number for basic city use, and actually this bike is intended for that purpose. And on taking this new CD110 for a spin, I was genuinely impressed by how this engine is tuned and also the way it responds. It's an ideal city commuter bike. The gear system used has 4 gears with the all upshift pattern, and here the way the gear ratio is laid out is to give that extra power in the first gear, and then it evens out with the best ride experience without any vibration and engine stress for a max speed of 65 km/h. Now since the first gear gets that extra push, during a city ride when you stop and restart a ride, you can get that extra quick launch, and also for city overtakes, this bike does the job pretty well. CD110 has always been a city bike, and hence long rides are not very good, but still you can go for a 50 km ride in a stretch. And that's all thanks to the ride comfort this bike offers. The seat used is really long and also sufficiently wide with good cushioning, and therefore for both the rider and the pillion, the seating is very comfortable. And here the seating post is perfectly upright with a proper handle reach to the chrome finished U-shaped handlebar. And also if you're wondering about the ground reach, well here the seat height is 790 mm, and therefore for me, I didn't have issues regarding that too, and for your reference, my height is 176 centimeters. Now here not only these things, but it's the suspension too that ultimately lead to good ride comfort, and here the suspension combo used is a front telescopic one and a rear hydraulic one, which are both soft set, and hence even through rough patches or worse riding conditions, the suspension did perform really well. It's like you can easily glide through these conditions, but please do keep in mind, all of this matters and also works great to provide the best experience for city use, and for that I really enjoyed the ride experience in this new CD110. And also by the way, this bike is also a very easy to handle one because of the lightweight and also the compact structure. And also for the ground clearance, it's 162 mm, which is good enough for bumpy conditions. Now for a bike in this category, the tire measurements are always kept to minimum for improved mileage and also cost control, and here the same thing is applicable. Both the front and rear tire used is 80 mm thick, and it's paired to a 18-inch silver alloy wheel, and the tires used are tubeless tires. So these are small tires, and if you're worried, well to be frank, if you ride under the speed that is recommended with this bike, well then these tires are actually more than enough. Under control speed, I didn't face any issues like skids from the tires used, and same is the case with the brake options provided. Both the front and rear brake are 130 mm drum, and the bike is CBS equipped. And here, did you remember the best ride experience speed that I mentioned before, which is under 65 km/h? Well, if you're riding under that speed range, then the brake combo used here is safe. And now to one of the most important thing about a 110cc bike, and it's the mileage. Well, this new Honda engine actually does offer great mileage. For good city conditions, the mileage we got is approximately 71 km/L. It's a great number, and here because of this mileage, the 9.1 liter capacity tank used here is more than enough. Well, till now we didn't touch the design of the bike, and the reason is you should be familiar with the design of the CD110. It's a simple design where the front headlight panel shape is a pretty familiar one, and you get a small windshield as a part of the front headlight panel. Now the headlight this time is a DC halogen headlight, and here the range and coverage of this headlight is good for pitch dark conditions. You get even illumination, and overall the road visibility is good. Then for the speedo console used, it's a 2-circle symbol analog set which shows the bare minimum stuff. But with the switch controls used, there is a major upgrade. Honda's new switch pattern has been used here, which is the dim, bright and pass light switch as a single unit along with the indicator toggle and horn on the left side, and on the right side there is the engine stop and the start switch as a single unit. This is a great update provided in the feature side, and I do like this new approach from Honda. Then about the tank used, it's a full metal tank which is sufficiently sized, especially considering it's a 110cc bike, and here the graphics used are also neat looking, which actually extends the whole body. Then checking the rear section of the bike, well there isn't any bells and whistles here. The taillight looks simple and matches the design theme of the CD110. And also about the pillion grab bar, well the one we have is the carrier type, which is a very strong and sturdy one. And then moving to the muffler protector used, it's a chrome finished one. And finally, you might have noticed this blue mirror, which is actually not for this color, but just for you to get an idea that this time the CD110 has body colored mirrors. So if you go for the blue colored CD110, you will get the blue mirrors, and for this color, well, the mirror should be black, and also for the color options available, there are 4 color choices. Well, that wraps up everything about this new CD110 BS6. It's a great update over the previous CD110, and what's special about this bike is that it's a simple yet ideal one for a city commute option. The major changes with the engine and the outcome from it is just perfect. And therefore it's an easy to recommend bike for anyone looking to buy a basic commuter bike. All the needed stuff is checked, and hence the experience you get is enjoyable. And before ending this video, I would like to thank Vahini Honda Kollam for providing us with this test ride unit. And if you're in Kollam, Kerala and you want to book any Honda bikes or scooters or even do a test ride, you can contact the number shown here. That's all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, please hit the like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye.